I love hot chili oil, so I'm going to try to make some hot chili oil for me using 1 cup of chili peppers, and I will use 2 cups of peanut oil. And first I will heat up the skillet and infuse some oil. So let's start. Adding peanut oil, 1 cup. Then you should know that peanut oil is the one that makes it smell like that. I'm going to heat up that oil. This chili oil, you can keep it, and I use it with everything. I love it with everything I make, everything I'm eating, American, Chinese, Pakistani, Indian, whatever. I just love that hot chili oil. Anytime I'm frying something, that's what I use. A flat the strainer, because this way I can just pick it up. To infuse the oil, I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic, cinnamon, some green cardamom, and then black peppercorns. Press it down, or I can just put them directly in here, and when it's done I will strain the oil out. You can do either way. I'll strain the oil in there. You can see it's still not there yet. And those are Asian dry chilies. You can see. I had the dry chilies and I put them in the blender. If you have a grinder, you can just grind them like that, and you have the perfect dry red chili peppers you need for the hot oil. Okay, now I have to be very careful because I don't want to burn the peppercorns and the garlic. I just want to infuse it. If I burn it, it's going to taste really bad. So just like another 30 seconds and I'm going to take it off. Oh, the oil smells so good already. There, you can see it clearly. It's not burning. It's just giving that beautiful aroma. Alright, let's strain the oil. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to put that oil back in the pan because I think few peppers escaped from the side of the strainer. So put it back again. Alright, now comes the fun part. Here goes the pepper, and I transfer the peppers to the cutting board. Going to drain the oil, and here it goes. Watch. Alright, so that was then a little more, and the third and the last. You know why I said this is the fun part? Okay, let's do this. Oh man, this smells good. I'm going to let it cool down a little and also add a little bit of salt. Around half a teaspoon of salt. I'm telling you, this oil smells amazing. Okay, now when the oil cools down a little bit, I'm going to put that oil back in the jar. See, I have the jar handy right here. Okay. This is my hot oil. It's done. It's in the container now, in the jar. See that? This is so good. You can use this over any food you like. That's the one they make in the restaurants, in the Asian restaurants, Chinese restaurants, with few ingredients here and there different, but this is the basic idea. This is so good. I cannot wait to try it. I hope you like it, and if you like it,